It may take time for India to build its own AI model. But at least you can use AI tools to bring productivity to your life. Many tech experts are using this quote that your job won't be taken by AI. Your job will be taken by a person who knows how to use AI. Why should you lag behind in that race? You should learn how to use these tools. If you want to learn how to use AI and ChatGPT, Growth School will conduct a 3-hour paid workshop which is being conducted by the founder of Growth School. You'll learn techniques to increase your productivity using AI tools. You should know how to use the tool using the prompting technique. With this tool, you can automate your tasks and save time. Whether you're a working professional,
a founder, or a student, this workshop will increase your productivity.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.